Just like we can add a normal property or a method in an object, we can also add an array in an object. If you can recall, in one of the previous videos, we created an array with the name of colors, and these are some of the values which we included in our array of colors. In this video, what I'll try to do is I'll try to add this array in our cube object, which have certain properties already added and a method as well with the name of calculate volume. So I will first of all add a new property in the cube object with the name of color list, and I will simply assign this array, which is already created, to this property. So I'll say colors, and there you go. That's it. You've now got an object cube which have an array color list. So if I want to inspect this object again, I can see that we have some of the normal properties, an object, but now I've also got a color list, which is an array inside the object. Now one more thing I would like to highlight here is the fact that we have this array, and there are two variables which are pointing to this array. One is colors, which is something which we created in the first instance, but now we have this other variable which is basically a property within an object, and this is pointing to the same array. So if I add anything to colors, that is going to be added in color list, or if I'm going to add anything in color list, that is going to be added, that will be added in colors, because it's not just taking this value and adding it in this color list, it's basically referencing to the same array in essence. So let me just show you. If I add colors so I add a new item in this array, not doing it right. So colors dot push, and I'm adding a new color in colors. So I've got now 6 colors in this array, and now if I inspect the color list in the cube object, I can see that white has been added in the list. So basically this property and this variable are pointing to the same array, and that's something which I wanted to highlight. But yeah, that's how you can add items to an array, and basically you can add an array into an object as well.